Alright, you welcome me back to another video. We're back in the tractor, and I thought I'd do a bit of a different video today. We're going to do how good these lights, which you'll see in about a few minutes time, how good they are. Because every single tractor I've ever owned, doesn't matter how fancy, so a Fendt, JCB, John Deere, Case, they always look really bright when you look outside, which I'll show you as soon as the sun set. By the way, what a night. And I will show you, but then I'm also going to show you from inside when they're on, and they're never quite as good as they look outside. You stand outside and you think, oh my god, these are the best lights ever, until you get inside. But I'm going to let you lot decide, and then so before we jump outside, remember this is the Case 120N, 120 horsepower specialist tractor, and it is a fruit tractor, and we're in vineyards and we're currently spraying, which I will show you now. Okay. So if as you can see, we made a bit of a mess earlier, ignore that, but there's the sprayer. Okay, so that is what we are currently doing at the moment. So if you're a farmer or an off-road enthusiast, I suppose overlander, do you find that lights are a funny thing? You know, they advertise, like I said, whatever, tens of thousand lumens or whatever, but when you actually use them, they never fulfill what I think should be possible today. You know, in today's world. Look at that sunset, I've moved my shoulder. But yeah, anyway, so what I do is we'll jump outside as soon as it's dark and let's have a look around. Alright, just like I said, what an amazing sunset. I'll have a little look because it is something truly quite special. Now, going back to the tractor, back to the lights. So, what we have on this tractor is we have two spots there, LEDs. If we walk round to the other side, we have the same, so it's duplicated there. Then coming to the front, wow, look at it. We have a set of, these are just LED side marker type things. We have another one. We have another LED spot up there. We have this side LED, which is actually very useful. We obviously have a traditional, normal and high beams, another side, and then same again. So we have our LED. These here are actually designed so when you're on the road, it comes out like that. So it's just when you're in the vine, so you don't bash it, they thought about it. So yeah, it's quite a good idea. So what we'll do is we'll wait till it's pitch black and we'll turn them on, and we'll decide how good they are. But meanwhile, I'll just leave you looking at that sunset. Alright, just like that, we're outside. So, you can see all those lights I showed you earlier. They're on the corners, like we said. Now I'm going to kind of stand back, try to give you a distance shot, so you can kind of see where the light travels to. Because just looking at the bulbs is obviously... So you can see, there's the front of the tractor. I mean, look, it is definitely lighting up well. There's no doubt about it. If you look at the floor, even out here, compared to when we're off, which is a lot, the camera's not doing any justice. But, so, what we do, jump in the cab, and I'll just show you what I mean about, even though they look so bright, I just don't get that clarity that I would like. But everyone, let's go. So now we're inside, you can have a look. You know, just trying to get as close. I mean, they're good. They go a bit weak round the sides. I mean, the camera does make it look, it doesn't help that I've got glaring screens in here, and it is very good for lighting up the implements. So, you know, I can't moan, but I always just want them brighter. I just want them brighter as possible, but I'm sure I'm not the only one like that. But there we go. So, just a quick video. As normal, if you are still here now, I'm working away. But thank you for watching. Sorry, my eyes are a bit tired. Thank you for watching and subscribing. There is more Ineos footage coming up, as well as other things. So, but everyone, thank you so much for all of the likes, all the subscribes, and I'll catch you all soon. Big up.